Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Fondo Para Fotografia is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any photographer's arsenal, offering a simple yet impactful way to elevate your shots from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to add a new dimension to your studio work or a budding enthusiast aiming to create stunning portraits or product displays, the right backdrop can make all the difference in setting the mood, highlighting your subject, and achieving that polished, professional look you desire. This review will delve into what makes a particular Fondo Para Fotografia stand out, ensuring you invest in a piece that truly complements your creative vision and enhances your photographic output. Number 5. Neewer 10 feet wide 6.6 feet high backdrop support system. This is a comprehensive backdrop support system designed for stability and versatility. It includes everything you need to set up your background for any occasion. Easily adjust both the height and width to perfectly fit your space and backdrop. This allows you to create a variety of looks for your photography. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, this stand offers a stable base for your backdrops. It can support up to 8.8 pounds, and includes sandbags for extra security. Keep your fabric or paper backgrounds firmly in place with the included strong spring clamps. They ensure your backdrop stays exactly where you want it. The package comes with 2 backdrop stands, 4 crossbars, 6 clamps, 2 sandbags, and a convenient carrying bag. You'll have all the essential accessories for professional results. Ideal for photo studios, parties, weddings, and more. This system provides a reliable foundation for creating stunning visual backdrops. What we like. This is a versatile and robust option for photographers needing a reliable backdrop support. It offers extensive adjustability in both height and width, making it suitable for a wide range of setups. If you are looking for a durable system that can handle various event types like weddings or studio shoots, this is a great choice. What people say. The backdrop is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for quick photo sessions. It provides a smooth and seamless surface, which is great for achieving professional-looking portraits. The material is durable and resistant to wrinkles, ensuring it can be reused multiple times without losing its quality. Number 4. HPUSN 10-foot x 7 feet adjustable backdrop stand. This is a complete backdrop stand kit, perfect for any photo shoot or video recording. It's lightweight and easy to move around, making it ideal for events like parties, weddings, and family gatherings. The adjustable leg frames allow you to set the height anywhere between 2.3 feet and 7 feet. You can quickly adjust it to fit your specific needs in just minutes. The telescopic crossbar connects the support legs, offering an adjustable width from 5.2 feet up to 10 feet. This ensures you can achieve the perfect backdrop size for any occasion. Included are 6 background clips to securely hold your canvas, muslin, or paper backgrounds to the crossbar. This helps you create the best possible setup for your events. For added stability, 2 sandbags are provided. Once your stand is set up, fill them with heavy items to weigh down the frame and prevent any unwanted movement. Constructed from a durable and strong aluminum alloy, this frame is built to last. It's designed to be both lightweight and robust for reliable use. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use and portability, perfect for on-the-go photographers or those with limited space. Its adjustable frames and crossbar allow for quick setup and customization. If you frequently shoot at different locations or need a stand that's easy to transport for parties and events, this one is ideal. What people say. The backdrop is made of a durable, wrinkle-resistant fabric that is easy to clean and maintain. It features a seamless design with a matte finish, which effectively eliminates glare and reflections. The backdrop comes with a sturdy stand that is adjustable in height and width, allowing for versatile use in different shooting scenarios. Number 3. BEIYANG 24 by 24 inch photo backdrop boards, Marble+Light Gray. Introducing the BEIYANG photo backdrop boards, perfect for creating stunning flat lay and food photography. Each package contains 2 versatile backdrop boards, complete with buckles and 4 unique patterns for endless creative possibilities. Measuring 24 by 24 inches, these boards offer ample space for your creative compositions. Crafted from high-quality cardboard, they resist wrinkles and maintain vibrant, clear patterns without color distortion. These unique backgrounds are ideal for desktop photography, capturing beautiful images of food, cakes, advertisements, cosmetics, flowers, and jewelry with ease. Achieve compelling photos without the need for bulky equipment, making your photography process simpler and more effective. As a professional team, we ensure a safe and reliable product with long-term assurance for your peace of mind. What we like. This is a fantastic solution for creators focusing on tabletop photography, especially for food and small products. The compact size and clear patterns make it easy to achieve professional-looking shots without much fuss. If you are a food blogger or a small business owner needing to showcase items like jewelry or cosmetics, this will elevate your visuals. What people say. The backdrop is made of high-quality material that is durable and easy to clean. It comes with a sturdy stand that is adjustable in height and width, making it versatile for different shooting needs. The fabric is wrinkle-resistant, which saves time on post-processing and setup. Number 2. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set. Introducing the Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Set, designed to make your product and food photography stand out. Achieve professional-looking shots with ease. This set includes 6 double-sided backdrops, offering 12 beautiful colors to match any product. They provide ample space for detailed shots of small items. Ideal for jewelry, cosmetics, food, and collectibles, these backdrops give your small products the spotlight they deserve. Create stunning flat lays and front view images. Go beyond basic black and white. These textured backgrounds offer more flexibility for online sellers and creators to produce engaging e-commerce photos and social media content. Setting up is a breeze with the included T-shaped stand. Easily switch between front view shots and overhead flat lays for versatile styling. Crafted from laminated paper, these backdrops are simple to wipe clean after use. They are a practical choice for consistent, high-quality product listings and content creation. What we like. This set offers incredible flexibility with its variety of colors and sizes, perfect for a wide range of small product photography needs. The included tabletop stand makes setup a breeze for both flat lay and front view shots. If you are an online seller or Yoocheese creator who needs to switch up your aesthetic frequently for different products like snacks or skincare, this is a must-have. What people say. The backdrop is made of high-quality material that is durable and easy to clean. It has a seamless design that provides a professional look for photos. The size is generous, allowing for a variety of shooting angles and setups. Number 1. Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Kit. Introducing the Yoocheese Photo Backdrop Kit, your ultimate solution for stunning product photography. It's designed to create a clean and styled background for all your small items. This kit features a convenient tabletop size, perfect for any workspace. It includes a foldable backdrop board, multiple background patterns, and shadow props for added depth and versatility. Explore a wide variety of 20 textured backgrounds, from marble to wood and solid colors. These diverse patterns, along with shadow boards, allow you to create unique looks for your product photos and videos. Setting up and taking down this kit is a breeze, thanks to its foldable design and simple brackets. It's ideal for quick shoots and easy storage, making it a must-have for creators on the go. Crafted from durable, laminated paper, the backdrop sheets offer a smooth shooting surface that wipes clean easily. They are designed to reduce glare, ensuring professional-looking results every time. What we like. For those who want to add depth and style to their product shots, this kit is a game-changer. It provides a vast array of textured backgrounds and even includes shadow props for added dimension. If you are a content creator or small business owner looking to create visually rich and dynamic images for social media or e-commerce, this offers the most creative control. What people say. The backdrop is made of high-quality material that is durable and easy to clean. The size of the backdrop is perfect for studio photography, providing ample space for various setups. The colors are vibrant and true to the images shown online, making it a great addition to any photography kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.